Kosomero lo Priscilla Girls SS lo sipotem kata atukozenga no luka districta ipiriotin lo Shoman Aureak Kaishishak abuatu pitone president Jessica Alupo Kenya kayeto kisomera jarakini Idwe Oshomatam melaiche bokita Irusete kanu isirigilwe tacho somero amamus na uniform kada inyamat.
As a girl child, you put extra effort more than the boy child.
Mona kami na pibere uniform erike manyo kon koni borene pola kere number 1 ngesalo sene ja mwalimu atukon ado ninyo achowa areja wenya mete opedo to salemu ninyamata re marogere nyo oma biche pero salemu emuni ngine ditike kanyuma kavera ito rakini otingere ikanyumu nyami ikanyu ndawo ya matara kipi. Nanti borene pol mamara lusanya mangi ni borene pol alo sadung ninyo achowa mami ko tapukune be erotari bioko ko somero nara e mamele mutsirigin wa ABCDE balapukane be universal primary education, universal secondary education, no charges.
Kenya kita lupo Idwe asesena ashomana itataida kwape na ejok konyemere aiketare beosinia bone jok.
Emma auriana rebona tema medu munai boisi na kotongisi. Iko kuda aiketare. Lifting is Idwe flexible. Ashoman mamere na to prepare. Be very flexible. Even me, as you see me now, I'm still studying. I'm doing my PhD now.
Konya tupiton aradisi katakwi Vincent Xavier Okwi ngese amonye be erokana balosha kina adito somero ikitiran keda Idwe
schools and primary schools erike staff in grade ai go share check na jeni losho kina tama ugo yana na reungin kwap kina ngare go ya tain ceiling shomati we olumti mwalimu kotai we go.
All the gaps of the teaching staff which are in the schools, when there is a missing teacher of science, a missing teacher of geography, a missing teacher of A, B, C, D, government is planning to fill all that, so that each school has the required number of teachers to match the enrollment in the school.
MP bukusu korai da bobo apolo kiton MPs lukoteso Bosco akiral ngesa kada kitebe emna ba district amotana kina aijolo juli ishishana kina leta mete aikewne tetubelo Idwe osomero lo lemeja ikwap
relatively had some performance and improved. The biggest problem I realized again that we go and pull out the teachers from that school and transfer.
On Wednesday I've called for a meeting. I will have all the districts, the MC3 chairpersons. Ilo sene na kirono wa Shoman kenache. Kwa niko nisa soma ule committee, the back education committee in the district. Lebu na irimo risomero elu kere. Ipakosi isoma tumakere kwa petimu. Etere ya uni ajula enet.
Abu akiral kisumunik esomero lo Priscilla Girls SS puka kasaka nlo esimit adukunam. Abu sniper tia pesuru kosodi. Abu da okoraka kangini kwa kuyena bua desia ai tubu division 1 kwa S okadla tubor isirigini lukuna kwatare ageo na shoman. Abu atuptone president dam kisumun ai ganga dukio na abu sniper tia pesuru kwa Priscilla Girls SS kai atakin. Ai mo abu isho nueso matale duelu echobe district atitai. Koto madue akaisana nuni lo tubito se jok okar lukniere kita kesera noare ikanyoni kakes arasi pesuru Delax M Alamu TV East Katakwi
kama si bware mulu ya nadu mwenye kisa som anyama to to e kulukulu ngol choti